Hey, sixth graders. On your screen right now, you are looking at a planning tool. The time has come to finalize what topic it is you are going to do for your multimedia poem. In the brainstorm box, it has the different prompts from our second paper chat to help remind you of the different things we discussed in class. And then you can write down some of your ideas in response to this brainstorming section, and then you can list your top 10 ideas or topics that you would be interested in creating a multimedia poem for. After you have your top 10 topics, you need to narrow it down to your top 2 choices. And since this is a writing class, we need to work on writing good, solid paragraphs. So you need to write 2 paragraphs for your top 2 choices about why you chose them. I have an example down here at the bottom to help you as you write your paragraph. So just to be a little bit more clear, you will look back at your list of all your different ideas, and maybe you'll put a star next to your top 2. You'll take those top 2 and then decide, well, what one do I want to do more? The one that you want to do most will be your first choice. And in this area right here, you are going to write down the reasons why you want to do that and why it's your first choice. And then you'll do the same for your second choice. So in the example paragraph at the bottom, this is how I want your paragraphs to look. It says, art is my passion, and I'd love to write a poem about it for the following reasons. Ever since I was little, I've been creating things, sketches, paintings, sculptures, and more. There is satisfaction in taking an idea and turning it into reality. In high school, I realized that art was my safe haven, an escape from reality. Most importantly, creating art makes me happy. As you can see, I would love to write about art. So examining this a little bit more closely, it has the topic in the first sentence, it has reasons in the body of the paragraph, and then it has a good summarizing sentence for the last sentence of the paragraph. So you need to make sure that is how your paragraphs look. Also notice how it is capitalizing the beginning letter of each new sentence, how it is punctuated. Again, those are things that you want to include in your paragraphs. Okay, so why are we doing this in the first place? The way this is going to work is I'm going to take everyone in your class's papers and I'm going to look at what their top 2 choices are, and I'm going to start putting them in piles. So if your first choice is bullying and your second choice maybe is art, then I'm going to put your first choice with everyone else's first choice if it's bullying. And I'm going to see, okay, is that enough for a group? Is it too big for a group? Do I need to start giving people their second choice? And then I'm going to look at both paragraphs, and the ones that are most compelling are going to get their first choice in topic. So you want to make sure yours is good, because if 10 other people in your class say that they also want to do bullying, I'm not going to have 2 groups of bullying unless I absolutely have to. So then I would start looking at that second choice to see if that would work for grouping as well.